Hey y'all, how you doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're gonna do a craft. Well, we're gonna do two of them, and all you need is paper, scissors, and common sense. Okay? Okay, that's great. If you hear any screaming in the background, that's just the TV, so don't worry about it. I don't need y'all in my business. Okay? So first we're gonna start. It's real simple. You're gonna get this paper. You want to leave it rectangular. Okay? And then you're gonna fold it long ways in half, like this, like such, like that. Okay? Beautiful. You did great. Thank you. Then you're going to take this first corner right here and you're going to fold that down like you fold your fat into the top of your pants. Thank you. And then you're going to take the other side and do the same thing. There you go. Then you're going to do it one more time, just like this. And this is a good craft for the littles, for the little people, for the little children, okay? You're gonna fold it one more time this way. Flip it over that way. You're gonna do that one more again. Just one more again. Okay? And then one more again after that. Great. You did a good job. I'm proud of you. I know this is really, really hard. Okay? Look at that. That is a beautiful airplane. It's beautiful. And then it flies right away. It's beautiful. Okay. Now this one's a little bit more complex, okay? This is for my bigger people, if I can remember how to do it, that is. So you need a square piece of paper. I hope that you know the difference between a square and a rectangle. Allow me to elaborate. There was a plane crash. It was horrible. However, this is a rectangle. No, it's a rectangle. This is a square. See the difference? Men, any men watching, this will help you with size, okay? This is bigger. This is smaller. Very good. So you're going to take the square one, the smaller one, and you're going to fold that sucker into a triangular shape, okay? Thank you. Then you're going to fold that triangular shape in half. Make it as even as you can. I appreciate you. Thank you. Now this is the complicated part. This is where things get heated and stressful. Okay? You're going to lift that first flap up. Like such, like so, like that. Stick your finger in there. Gentlemen, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. And then you're going to make a square. And a triangle. I don't know what that's called, but it's a shape, okay? Then you're going to flip it over to the other side. You're going to take this flap, and remember we talked about it, like you put your pants in your jeans. Fold that girl in there, okay? Then you're going to lift the flap. Okay? Lift the flap. Stick your finger in there. Gentlemen, find the right spot. Then you're gonna make a square. See how that's a square? And it should look like so, like that. See that? Okay. You're gonna lift this first flap up. You're gonna fold that little crease in there. And you're gonna fold this over like that, like such. Okay. You're gonna do that to the other side. Okay? This is origami. It's very classy. And then you're gonna take that and you're gonna go like this, like such, like that. Oh, snap. Yours should be more even than that. Do a better job than I did, you know? Hold on. Pause. Okay, I apologize. There were some technical difficulties. We had to handle some issues down in the basement. We had to take care of some stuff. Somebody tried to, you know, get out. We didn't need that. So it's going to be a diamond. You remember what you did to that side? Do it to this side. I struggled a little bit. There was somebody distracting me. Okay, so your diamond should have little legs like that. See? Ooh, legs. So cool. You're going to take a flap on one leg. Remember, ladies, we talked about it. Push it in there, girl. Flip it over. Beautiful. You did beautiful. I'm so proud of you. Do it to the other leg. Same thing. Both flaps. Look at how you did. You did so good. So now we have a skinnier diamond because she tucked that in her pants. See, now she's skinnier. She walking. Okay. So then you're going to take one leg. You're going to lift her up. You're going to open wide. There you go. Look at you. Look at you. You did so good. And you're going to do it the other way as well. You want to get that crease in there. You want to work that crease real good. Work that crease real nice. Like so, like such. You're going to open her up like that. Flip her up. Like such. Like so, like that. And then you're going to go like that. All right, good job. You're going to do that to the other leg. Bring that girl up there. Fold the crease. You did beautiful. Look at you. Okay, so now you're going to open the wings. You're going to take this little square. You got to pull the corners of her like that. You want to do it real tight, like you're tying somebody's hands behind their back or something. There you go. Give the wings a little girth. Now you're going to make the head. So you're going to take this leg. I'm trying to show you well. See how that's like that? It's not really a leg, it's a head. But we called it leg until now, so we're going to go with it. You're going to fold it in. Look at that. You made a crane, girl. Look at what you did. You done did it. Beautiful job. These is great crafts for the littles, like I said. Like I said. This is real easy entertainment. I worked hard learning how to do this for y'all, so y'all better like, subscribe, do all the other stuff so you don't end up in my basement too. Bye, y'all.